Watching this video is literally going to save you thousands of dollars if you're shopping for a mortgage, because this one mistake that almost every first-time home buyer makes costs you a ton of money. Hey, what's up? I'm Channing, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you the biggest mistake that first-time home buyers make, or any mortgage getter is going to make when it comes to shopping for a mortgage. And the reality is, the mistake is they don't. Not shopping for your mortgage, not shopping around for your mortgage is costing you thousands of dollars. According to recent statistics that have come out, only 56, or not only, as much as 56% of home buyers, 49% of men, 63% of women only went with the offer for their mortgage, the first offer. They used the first offer that they received on their mortgage, and they did not shop it around. Now, I've got other videos that I've recorded that talk about understanding closing costs, that talk about the fees involved with the mortgage, to show you why that's such a bad idea. But to illustrate, not every mortgage is the same. Not every mortgage lender is the same. And though people like large mortgage companies that revolve around rockets want you to believe that, oh, if you shop us, it's only going to save you $10 or $15, and is it really worth starting your mortgage over just to save $15? Nothing could be further from the truth. On a regular basis, as a mortgage broker, I save clients hundreds of dollars a month and thousands of dollars in closing costs. The reality is, not shopping for your mortgage is going to cost you. Now, one of the things that happens is loan officers, there's a couple of things, but here's one of them. One of the things that happens is loan officers convince clients that pulling their credit hurts them. And so you think that you're just trying to protect your credit. You don't realize that it was a lie that was formed to prevent you from shopping for a loan, because they know if they can make you believe that if you have another lender look at your credit, that you're not going to qualify for a loan. Well, of course I don't want to do that, because I want to get the loan. But nothing could be further from the truth. You can go to the CFPB website. You can look at what the bureaus have said. Once one lender pulls your credit, if you have any impact, it's generally 3 to 5 points or less. I have a video on the channel where I discuss this. And after that, every subsequent pull for the next 30 to 45 days has no effect on your mortgage. On your credit score. You're going to see the inquiry show up, but your score won't drop, because they want to give you the ability to shop around. And listen, I'm a broker. I'm encouraging you to shop. If you work with me, I encourage you to shop with someone else, right? Yes, it can be a hassle, but it can also save you money. And the cool thing about working with us in the broker land, so whether you work with me or another mortgage broker, is they can shop dozens or even hundreds of different lenders to find the best terms and situation that meets your needs. And so if you don't shop for your mortgage, you're costing yourself money, and not a small amount of money. I'm not talking about $10 or $15. I'm talking about $100, $200 a month. I'm talking about $1,000, $3,000 in closing costs that are coming out of your pocket. Look at the lender fees, right? There's some red flags that you can look at. I have videos where I talk about that too, to know if you're about to get duped. But one of them is that the loan officer or the mortgage company isn't giving you anything in writing. They're quoting it to you verbally, but they're not giving it to you in writing. Unless you have something in writing, it doesn't matter. And further, unless the rate shows that it's been locked, it doesn't mean you're going to get it. You don't get that rate until that rate has been locked in. But the reason why you want to push and make sure that you get something in writing is to see if they're charging you additional fees to give you this quote unquote good interest rate, because that is going to make it easier for you to shop with other lenders, so that those lenders can compare apples to apples with what you're being offered. So if you're not shopping, if you've applied for a mortgage with one lender and you haven't shopped them, stop right now and go find some other local lenders in your area to give you competing quotes to ensure that you're getting the best deal, because shoppers win in this environment, and over 56% of people don't shop. They never shop their mortgage. So don't make that mistake. Don't cost yourself thousands of dollars. Shop for your mortgage today. I would love to take a look at it. If you're local to me in Louisiana, we would love to take a peek and give you a quote based on something that you've received in writing. And we will do our best to beat whatever you've received by $1,000. So if you'd like to talk to me about that, there's a link in the description below. Otherwise, please like and comment the video and subscribe to the channel if you're not. That way we can reach more people just like you with this great content.